I found a free and powerful AI image generator tool that can generate images without watermarks, and this tool can compete with MidJourney and Leonardo AI. The name of this tool is Shakker AI. It is an advanced AI image generator tool where you can turn your imagination into visuals. This tool is capable of generating multiple AI models with consistent faces. This tool works on the Stable Diffusion model, so it is capable of generating ultra-realistic images. It has some amazing, powerful features, which we will discuss today. So first you need to sign up for free. This is a token-based AI tool where you get 400 tokens per day for free, alright? After signing up, you will see a dashboard like this. This is the gallery area where you can explore the level of images you can generate with this tool. You are given a category-wise gallery, so explore the gallery. Once you can generate almost all types of images here, such as photography, illustration, architecture, and space design, anime, and games, fantasy, 3D, and many more. Okay, to generate an image, you just need to open the AI generator. Okay, this is your new dashboard, and here you can generate images. The same gallery is on the left side. On the right side, you have the controls, and here you can see the token usage. Alright, by the way, I will provide a Google Drive link in the description below, so if you don't understand anything, you can read it. Okay, let's generate an image now, for example. I want to generate an AI model right now. So first you need to prepare a prompt, and the prompt should have a lot of details. For example, I have prepared a prompt, and this is a negative prompt. Guys, adding a negative prompt is very important as it adds accuracy and detailing to the image. Alright, I will share this prompt on Telegram, and you can copy and paste it from there. Okay, so now I will first copy the prompt and paste it here. I will also turn on prompt suggestions, then I will copy the negative prompt and paste it here as well. Perfect. Next, you need to choose a model, and the model you choose will decide the type of image generated. Alright, here you have many models, and all of them work based on Stable Diffusion. So I will choose this model because I want to develop an AI model. Okay, after this, you can add image preferences, but I will skip this for now. Then you have seeds. If you want to generate a consistent character, you should add a fixed seed number, and this number can be anything. Okay, after this, you can choose the image size and then select the number of images, then just click on generate. This will take a little time depending on which model you're using. Okay, you can see that our model is ready, so I will zoom out a bit. Now you can see that both models are the same. You can see how realistic both models look. The colors, face, texture, shadow, and hairstyle all look quite realistic. Okay, next on the upper side, you have some more smart tools. The first is Inpaint. In Inpaint, you can change any part of this model, such as hair color, face color, etc. Let me show you how. I'll just click on it, and you can see it is segmenting the object. Okay, now you will see that you can select any part of the object like this. Then in the prompt section, I will write a prompt, for example, blackface. Then in the prompt suggestions, some prompts will appear. So I will try this one. Scroll down, keep the number of images to 1, and click on Inpaint. It is now launching, and in a few seconds, the process will be complete. Look, the model's face has been perfectly replaced. This is our original image, and this one is the new image. If you want to keep this image, just replace it. After that, you can exit. Alright, the next feature is Upscale Image. To do this, just go to Upscale, and from here you can upscale the image to any size. But keep in mind, the more you upscale the image, the more tokens you will use. For now, I will exit. Okay, after this, similar to in Paint, there is an outpaint feature where you can change the background of any image. Alright, then we have the restyle tool. With this, you can change the same image into different styles while keeping the face consistent. For example, I want to restyle this image, so I just click on restyle. Now here again, you need to provide a prompt for the style you want to apply to the image. I converted this same prompt into a new one with the help of ChatGPT, so I will just copy this prompt and paste it here. Then I will scroll down and keep the seeds the same, which means if you want consistency in the image, you should keep the seeds fixed. Oops, I forgot to choose a model, so I will select one from here. I will choose this one, set the number of images to 1, and hit generate, and boom. Within a second, the image will be restyled. You can see the consistency. We have 2 same models in different styles, and the result is really impressive. Additionally, I created a third new style for this image, and you can see how perfect the consistency is in all the images. The model is the same, but the style is different. Perfect. The next AI feature is the background remover. So again, I will choose a random image and then just click on background remove. Within a second, the background will be removed. Perfect. The next feature is smart remove. I have this image and I want a specific part removed, so I will go to smart remove. I make a selection of the part I want to remove and then click remove, and boom, that part is removed this way. You can try many AI features. If you have any confusion, just put a comment, and you can also follow this tutorial. Okay, so I hope you found found this video helpful. If yes, please like the video and subscribe to the channel Digital AI Dollars. And if you want to know how to convert your low-quality video into 4K for free, or click on the playlist to know why mostly YouTubers are failing. Thanks for watching.